vocabulary of HSK level 1. The first, we are going to start from the personal pronoun. Okay, this is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. The first is WO. 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 Wo means I, me. I or me. Wo, wo. Woman. Woman. Woman, woman. Woman, woman. We or us. Two meanings. Third one is an I. An I. Knee. Where you're looking at the third tone. Knee. Okay. The shape of third tone is V shape. V shape. Okay. Wo. Also third tone. We have to put tones always on the vowels. O is a vowel. This is also third tone. Wo. You're looking third tone on the O. And woman as a third tone. Wo. Man has no tone. Man has no tone. This is a neutral. There are total 5. Chinese is a Turan language. There are 5 tones. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth one is neutral. So man is a neutral. Wo, third tone. Ni, 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 ni. Ni means you. Niman, Niman. Niman means you plural. TL is the short form of plural. Niman meaning you plural. Always you have to say man is used for plural. Man is used for plural. Niman you plural. Okay, TA. Tha, tha, tha. He or him. Tha, she or her. Pronunciation is same but the character is different. If you consider tha, this is a male. It is used for male. He or him. Tha, female. There is a variation, character variation. Pronunciation is same, spelling is same, tone is also same, but the character is different. Very good. She or her. Tha. Okay, now thaman. Again man. Man is used for plural. Man is used for plural. Thaman. They. Okay. Again. Thaman. Thaman. So this is used for character different. Thaman and Thaman. Thaman it is used for male and it is used for female.
Male plus female ऊपर भी लिखा हुआ है.
Yeah, we can also use it for male male plus female. Okay, again. Woman. Niman. Tha. Thaman. Again. Thaman. Okay. Now demonstrative pronoun. Cho, ZHE. Cho. ZHER. Chur. Cho. Cha means this. Chur means here. Na means that. Nar means there. Okay. Chur. Na. Nar. These are the 4 demonstrative pronouns. This, here, that, there. This, here, that, there. Chur. Na. Nar. interrogative pronoun. Na, na, nar, na, nar, nar, na, 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 nar, nar, na, na, nar, nar. Same. Both have there. Tune, tune is changed. Tune का फर्क है. Okay, this one, there's a four tone. No, no. This is the tune symbol. Four tone is like this. No, nar, na, nar. Four tone. The four tone. Na and nar. Third tone. Third tone. Yeah. Na, 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 na. ये V shape. Third tone. Nar, nar. Yeah. Na, na, nar, nar, nar. Yeah. You will feel if you listen in the if you use your Blackboard dictionary. So if you listen, so you will feel a little bit different. Chai, chai, SHEI. Chai, chai. Chai means who? Chai, 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 chai. Sharma, 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 sharma. You also learn vocabulary. I will take a verbal test. Tosha, tosha. Okay. Sharma spelling. Sharma. ENME. SHENME. Sharma. Tosha, tosha. Tosha spelling. Yes. Tosha. T, T, Zanma, Zanma, Zanmayang, Zanmayang. Na, 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 nar, nar. Shay, shay. Shanma, shanma. Tosha, tosha. Ji, ji. Zanma, zanma. Zanmayang, zanmayang. Counting is very easy. E, 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 E. R, 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 R. San, 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 san. So, 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 so. Wo, wo, wo. Wo means I. Wo, five. Wo, we have learned the first vocabulary. Wo means I. And that is wo. You have to be careful. Wo, I, me. Wo, five. Counting. Leo, Leo, six. Leo, Leo. T, Q, I. T, seven. T, T. Just pronounce that. PA. Yeah, very good. Pa, pa, pa means no. Geo, Geo, Geo. SHI, J, J, 10. LING, 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 ling. Now quantify. These are the major words. Major word has no any meaning, but without this major word, you cannot complete your sentence. Grammatically, if you make without this, there is no any meaning of these major words, but it is very important to complete the sentence. You take the example of preposition in English. Preposition, there are more than 50 prepositions. In, at, on, out, down, up. But without preposition used to produce meaning. Sentence. The same way, individually major word has no meaning, but it is used to produce the meaning. Okay, the function of ga is a universal major word. There are specifically we have to use different major words in different sentences. But if you don't know the specific major word for specific sentences, you can use ga. You can use ga. Ga is a universal major word. Ga is the generic form. You can use everywhere. Go, 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 go. Sui, 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 sui. SUI, 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 sui. Pan, pan. BEN. Pan, 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 pan. Okay, now this one. Xie, XIE. 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 XI. Xie. XI. XI, we pronounce XI. Xie. 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 XI, simple. Xie. Xie. But this is XIE. 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 XI, simple. You have to be careful. XI and E. After IE, when after IE comes cheer, 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 cheer. Come. It's the major word. Poi, 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 poi. Now this is the adverb. Poo, bu, poo, not boo. In Chinese language, there is no alphabet of ba, just like Arabic language. In Arabic language, there is no any alphabet of pay and say. Pa, ta will not found. Not find any. The same way Chinese has alphabet of ba, pu, 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 mei, me, 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 pu, 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 me, 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 han, 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 hen. Yeah, usage is different, meaning is same. It is used for it is used with the possession. I don't have. I not have. I haven't. I have not money. वो मैं और Tian. वो मैं और. But you cannot use for puyo. It is a wrong sentence. Meaning is same, but the usage is different. Han han. Han han. Very. Very happy. Very sad. Very polite. Very humble. Very persistent. Very consistent. Very happy. Han Kaoxing. Very nervous. Han Chin Chong. Very good. Han Hao. Han Hao. Very useful. Hi. Hi. Extreme levels. Very hot. Very cold. have to define any extreme degree. When it's very hot, Thaira, Thaira, Thaira. To, to, all, all. You all, me, to, all the person, Toran. Conjunction. Yeah, you have to conjugate the sentence. For, for simple sentence, you can take the simple example. I and you. 我和你去学校. You and me, you and I go to the school. 我 I me. 我 W 我 5. 我和 去学校. War means for me. To means go. 学校 means school. Chinese then in English language we use the preposition to. We use the preposition to. Without preposition you cannot make complete a sentence. I and you go to school. 我学校. Okay. 我和你去学校. 去学校. 去学校. I and you go to school. You don't need to use the preposition. You don't need to write the preposition of to. We have skipped these two in comparison in English. So you do not use in Chinese you don't use the preposition. We don't use frequently the prepositions. 我和你去学校. 我和你去学校. I and you go to school. 学校 means school. 去 means go. Preposition. Zai. In, at, on. Okay. Zai. Zai, zai. Zai, zai. Zai, zai. I am at home. I am at home. 我在这. I am. Zai means at. Chia means home.